Hi and Assalamualaikum. This video will explain to you about concrete mix design, wood ash cement. Introduction. Wood ash is generated due to combustion of wood products. It is the organic residue remaining after the combustion of wood. The physical and chemical properties of wood ash is depending on several factors, for example, the species of wood, combustion temperature, and etc. As we all know, Malaysia is famous with timber-rich country. We can get wood easily. This is why we choose to use wood in our composite material. The materials that we use is the mix of wood as in chips, sawdust or bark, dry leaves and terracotta tiles. Next, we move on to the methodology. First, collect fallen bark and leaves from tree. Second, burn all the material using hot coals. Third, take the ash and put into water. Fourth, stir the solution and remove excessive water. Fifth, retain the paste and compress into pellet. Sixth, burn the pellet. Seventh, extract the pellet and let it cool. Eighth, slate the pellet in water and stir it. Ninth, crush up some old terracotta tiles and add into the solution. Last but not least, mix them all well and form into shape, then let it dry again. The test parameter that we suggest is first the slump test. The slump test is a means of assessing the consistency of fresh concrete. It is used indirectly as a means of checking that the correct amount of water has been added to the mix. Second is the tensile strength test. Tensile testing is used to determine the behavior of a sample while an axial stretching load is applied. These types of tests may be performed under ambient or controlled conditions to determine the tensile properties of a material. Third, compressive test. Compressive strength refers to the ability of a certain material or structural element to withstand loads that reduce the size of that material or structural element when applied. A force is applied to the top and bottom of the test sample until the sample fractures or is deformed. Fourth, flexural test. Flexural strength, also known as modulus of rupture, bend strength, or transverse rupture strength, is a material property defined as the stress in a material just before it yields in a flexure test. The transverse bending test is most frequently employed, in which a specimen having a circular or rectangular cross-section is bent either until fracture or until yielding using a 3-point flexural test technique. Third, compress. Conclusion. In conclusion, wood ash cement can be on another composite materials substitute for the ordinary Portland cement, also known as OPC. The wood ash has the potential ability to replace the cement partially in cement block manufacturing industry, but all of this is depend on the result and data. Thanks for watching.